Hello loves, thank you for coming back to my channel, and if you're new, please press that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment down below. Today I'll be doing a makeup video and a wash and go all in one. I am not a professional. I don't do makeup for people or anything, but I just want to show you how I do my makeup. All right, I'm starting off with my wash and go. I'm using my leave-in spray from the Main Choice 4-leaf clover line. And I'm just kind of distributing that in my hair. And then I'm going to take my Mielle Organics, the Pomegranate and Honey line. And that's the curl smoothie. And I'm just going to smooth that in my hair too. Now I'm taking the Main Choice Daily Moisturizer. I put all these moisturizers and curl smoothies in my hair just so it can have a soft feel and not a crunchy feel from the gel. And of course, so it's moisturized. Okay, now I'm parting my hair in a small section so I can distribute the gel. I'm using the Main Choice Ancient Gold Gel, I do believe. If I didn't say it right, I will put it in the description box, but I'm distributing that through my hair. And then I'm separating my curls. I don't like my curls to dry, curled up together. It gives like a too thick look and kind of matted look sometimes. So I like my wash and goes to last, so I separate my curls. Now I'm going to keep adding the gel to these small sections and then separating my curls. And I'm going to do this all over my head, but I'm just showing you this one section for the sake of time. Okay, now that I'm all done, it is still very wet and I'm going to come back to my hair, but first I'm going to clip it back and apply my makeup while it air dries for a little bit. Okay, now I'm starting with my lip color enhancer. It's not a lip plumper, it just kind of enhances the color of whatever lipstick you use. And it's kind of moisturizing to the lips, so I'm going to place that on my lips first while I do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back to that. Okay, now I'm taking this cheap primer spray. I think it's called City Color that I got from California. And I'm spraying that all over my face. And then I'm taking this primer glow oil. I really like the oils because it's moisturizing to my face and my skin tends to dry out a lot. Now I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and just kind of shaping around my eyebrow. Now my eyebrows grow funny, but I don't try to shape them a certain way so I can get them perfect. I just go with the flow. Now I'm taking my Ulta eyebrow kit and I'm just using the darker powder to fill it in. And then as I get towards the front, I'm using a lighter powder just so it can look more natural because that's where my eyebrows tend to thin out a little bit. Now I'm taking this thin concealer brush. I think a lot of the brushes I used is from the brand Naked. And then I'm just going to take my concealer and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. Now, you guys, I am not very neat with my makeup, so you'll see me kind of wiping things or whatever. That's just how I do it. Now I'm just going to take my little blending sponge and I'm just going to kind of blend that out on my eyelid and also on top of my eyebrow, just kind of blend it out. Now the good thing about the concealer, when you blend it over the eyelid, it kind of enhances the color of your eyeshadow, and it kind of sets, it's like a primer for your eyeshadow, so your eyeshadow doesn't like wear off quick. Now I'm taking my Fit and I use the number 335. And excuse my yellow lights, I'm already yellow and it's very hard to see how good that color blends in my skin, but you'll see at the end how it all comes together. Now I'm just going to take my Maybelline foundation brush and just blend out that foundation. Okay, now that I'm all done with that, I'm using my contour stick. Do not use it at this step. I usually never do this, and so you're gonna see me go back several times and put it back because I usually do it after my concealer and like my banana powder. So now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just placing that kind of under my eyes and on my cheeks. And I guess in the, I don't know if you want to call that, middle of my forehead, in between the eyebrows, whatever. This kind of highlights your face. And now I'm just blending it out with my sponge. This also helps with making your face look a little smoother, like if you have bags under your eyes or anything like that. It kind of just smooths it out. And as you see, I'm taking my contour stick again, and still don't use it at this step. Wait till after the powder, or you're gonna realize that the powder covers it. Now I'm taking my banana powder that I bought in California. I think it's the cheap version of the banana powder, but I'll put the name in the description box. And I'm just taking my sponge and I'm going to pat it over my concealer. And then I'm also going to put it on like my chin under my lip. Now you guys, I love this powder. I don't usually let this bake. I kind of blend it off right after I do it. But oh my goodness, when you take pictures, it makes your face look so flawless. Like it doesn't look like all that foundation on your face. It kind of gives it a like matte look and more, I don't know, I guess natural look. But the lighting is gonna make it look like it's not blending, but you'll see at the end how it all comes together. Okay, I'm taking this blending brush and I'm kind of dusting the banana powder off. This gets really messy. That powder is just, it's everywhere after I use it. But I do love it. And I'm just kind of blending it out. And I know with my yellow lighting, it's very hard to see that it's blended. Now this is where you take your contour stick. And then I'm taking my little sponge and kind of blending that out. And now I'm taking this eyeliner pencil in black. And I got this pencil on Amazon, so I don't even know the brand, but I like it. And I'm just outlining my eyelids, or the bottom of my eyelids. Now I'm taking my eyeshadow. Like I said, I will put the color in the description box, but I'm using this kind of like, I can't remember if it's Bear or something, as like a base color. Now you can just leave it like that and look natural. I do that sometimes too. Now I'm gonna use this kind of like, I don't know if you want to call it like burgundy or maroon kind of color. It was a little too dark for me. Sometimes when I use these colors, it looks like I got punched in my eye. But I was trying something different. And also I used the wrong eyeshadow brush. That's why it's messy. But it's gonna come together. Then I'm going to take a lighter color and kind of blend out that color or make it a little lighter because it was just a little too much for me. Okay, now I'm gonna take my contour kit. I'm not sure where I purchased this at, but I'm gonna take the gold highlighter color and I'm just going to put it on my cheekbone. You can't really see how it looks. My lighting sucks. Then I'm going to put that same color under my, I guess you would call that eyebrow bone or whatever, brow bone. Okay, now I'm just taking a brown kind of color in the contour kit and kind of contouring my nose. Y'all, I usually skip this part and I usually don't use that powder. I was being extra in this video. So that didn't work out. I ended up kind of like wiping it off. But then I took my little highlighter gold color and kind of put it on my nose and above my lips. Now I'm taking this kind of gold color out of my eyeshadow and kind of putting that on my lids. And then I'm just gonna blend it all out. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna take this cherry blush that I bought on Hollywood Boulevard, and I think it's called Kiko Milano's or something like that. They have affordable makeup. I mean, I was in love with that store, and you can order stuff online. So just in case you don't live in LA like me, you can still purchase it. Now I'm taking this MAC lip color And then I'm going to outline my lips with, I think, this Garnet. I can't remember. Granite or Garnet. I can't remember, but I'll put it in the description box. Outliner. And that is about it. Now I'm taking my matte spray. It's like a little setting spray. And that's how I end my makeup. Okay, now I'm just taking my diffuser. My hair was about 40% dry, so it wasn't nowhere near dry. And I'm just taking my diffuser, and it gives me a bigger look instead of my curls just laying flat. Now I took my diffuser off and I'm just stretching my curls. Anybody that's been watching my videos, I already have maybe 2 videos on this and how I do my wash and goes. But I'm just showing you in this video, you get a makeup and wash and go all in one. Now I'm just taking my pick and fluffing out my roots. And this is my finished look. I hope you guys love it. Makeup is flawless. Thank you for watching this video. And this makeup tutorial is for beginners because I'm a beginner too. I hope you guys love the video. Thank you for watching.